Retinoids are a class of ingredients that come from vitamin A. There are many different types of retinoids, but one of the most accessible and popular ones is retinol. Retinol is wonderful because it does not require a prescription. It can be used and purchased over the counter. And it's actually one of the most researched and scientifically backed ingredients in all of the beauty industry. It has about 7 decades of research and evidence behind it that prove that it does wonders for the skin. People love retinol because of all of the anti-aging benefits it delivers to the skin. It's gonna promote your complexion to look less wrinkled, smoother, tighter, and firmer. And on top of that, it's also been found to treat acne-prone skin as well. The way we understand retinol to work is that it's really a cell-communicating ingredient, which means that as an antioxidant, when it's applied to the skin, it can communicate and tell the skin how to become more youthful by increasing cell turnover, which is going to bring new and youthful skin to the surface. There are some potential side effects that can come with retinol use, especially if you're using a retinol that's not formulated correctly or you're using the ingredient incorrectly in your routine. And these side effects are often associated with the cell turnover that retinol promotes. You can see side effects that include irritation, redness, flaking, or peeling. But again, if you're using retinol correctly within your regimen, these all should be minimized or not seen at all. Outcrease is our answer to incorporating retinol safely and effectively into your skincare regimen. It utilizes not 1, not 2, but 3 types of retinol that all work together to effectively target fine lines and wrinkles, sun damage, pore size, discoloration, and so much more. On top of that, Outcrease features a micro-encapsulated delivery system, which allows the retinol to be applied and delivered to the skin gradually, which minimizes any sort of risk that retinol can pose to sensitive skin. What I love about Outcrease is its unique texture. When it first is applied to the skin, it has this really glassy, smooth, slick feel to it. It almost feels like it could be like a facial oil. But then it absorbs into the skin, and once it's applied, it dries into this mattified, soft, and smooth finish. When it comes to retinoids, building a gradual tolerance is key. We recommend applying Outcrease every other night and building up your tolerance as you go and gradually increasing to nightly usage. We recommend applying Outcrease directly after cleansing, allowing it to absorb, and then going on to the other steps of your routine. If it's during the day, we recommend following up with a sunscreen directly after using Outcrease to minimize any potential for sun damage. Outcrease features a clean formulation free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, and gluten. It's vegan, and as always with Dermalect, it is cruelty-free. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum with me today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on social at Dermalect or at support@dermalect.com over email. Thanks for watching.